Now we discuss the other question, that is, the kinetic energy of vector quantity. No, kinetic energy is not a vector quantity. It is a scalar quantity. We know that kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Velocity is a vector, but v dot v is equal to v का magnitude. These two are velocities, so angle between them is 0 degree. So v dot v is equal to magnitude of v square. Note that magnitude of v square, magnitude of v, it has no direction, which make kinetic energy a scalar quantity. Now we discuss the other question, that is, what happened to kinetic energy of a bullet when it penetrated to the target. When a bullet penetrates into target, its kinetic energy is transformed into various forms of energy. First one is increase the internal energy of the target. Friction between the bullet and target generate heat. Energy is used to overcome the frictional resistance as the bullet moves through the target material. Now we discuss the other question, that is, does the tension in the string of a swinging pendulum do any work? Explain. Work is done only when a force causes displacement in the direction of force in the case of pendulum. Direction of tension. The tension in the string act radially inward toward the pivot point. Direction of motion. The pendulum bob moves perpendicular to the direction of tension. Since tension is always perpendicular to the motion, so work formula, that is equal to work is equal to force into displacement into cos of theta. So here theta is the 90 degree, so work done is equal to 0. So work done by the tension is zero.